Nice. Welcome to Family English with Mr. Kabada. Today I'm going to present English for grade 11. Some revised questions focusing on all the four skills. So first I'm going to just give some time and you practice. And then finally I'm going to give clarification for each question, please. Look, the first question, he blank just beer when he suddenly fell sick. Yeah, he blank beer when he suddenly fell sick. So what is this is called a tense question, yes? A tense question. It was drinking, and here is drinking and drank here, right? Look, the choices here. Choices here is drinking and had drank. He blank beer when he suddenly fell sick. This happens actually narrative tense kinds. You know, the first short action or an action that happens suddenly can be expressed with simple past failed here. Simple past failed. This might give you a clue to insert the correct forms of verbs here. So right, this is simple past. It most of the time go with the past continuous and the past perfect, nothing else, right? እዚህ ጋር የሰጣችሁ ነገር ሾርት ሰደን ሃፕኒንግ ነው፣ በድንገት የተፈጠረ ነገር ነው። ስለዚህ በአብዛኛው ሲምፕል ፓስት ከማን ጋር ነው የሚሄደው? ከፓስት ኮንቲኒየስ ጋርና ከፓስት ፐርፌክት ጋር ነው የሚሄደው። ስለዚህ was drinking ካላችሁ ልክ ናችሁ። he was drinking beer when he suddenly fell sick። ይሄ የመጀመሪያው ኢቨንት ነው፣ ሲከናወን የነበረ የቆየ ሎንግ አክሽን ነው። ይሄኛው ደግሞ ሾርት አክሽን by chance or by suddenly የተፈጠረ ነገር። ስለዚህ narrative tense ወይም past continuous እንለዋለን። I bought blank and blank carpet on my vacation. So here is order of adjectives ነው የሚጠይቃችሁ። Yes, rectangular, enormous, Turkish, enormous and rectangular, Turkish, enormous, rectangular and Turkish. What is the correct order of adjectives when two and or more than two adjectives come in a sentence to describe about the head word? ሁለትና ከዛ በላይ የሆኑ የሆኑ አድጀክቲቮች አንድን ስም ሊገልጹ ሲመጡ አንደኛው ዲተርሚነር ነው። ዲተርሚነር and then just called numbers, and then adjectives of quality, adjectives of size, adjectives of age, adjectives of color, adjectives of age, adjectives of color. ከዛ በኋላ ምንድነው የምታመጡት? adjectives of origin, and then what? noun። ስለዚህ consecutive orderአቸው ይሄ ነው። የመጀመሪያው ነምበር ነው፣ ዲተርሚነር ይመጣሉ፣ and then ነምበር ይመጣል፣ ከዛ quality, size, age, shape, color, then origin ይመጣለን ማለት። ስለዚህ የትኛው ነው የሚመጣው? turkish origin ማለት ነው አይደል? ስለዚህ እሱ ሊሆን አይችልም። rectangular, enormous፣ ይሄም ልክ አይደለም። So here the right answer here is enormous means many. Yes, an enormous, what is quality, or it is an opinion, right? Enormous, this is rectangular shape. Turkish is origin, which is proper noun or proper adjective, which is derived from Turkey ከሚለው የመጣ ነው። right order ይሄ ነው። ይሄ quality ነው፣ size ነው። ይሄ no size ሳይሆን shape ነው። ይሄኛው origin ነው። ስለዚህ I bought an enormous rectangular and Turkish carpet on my vacation. This is the right order, please. Right orderአቸው በዚህ መልኩ ነው የሚሆነው። She blank a photo as we were getting out of the bus. Yes. She blank a photo as we were getting out of the bus. She took a photo. Yeah, she was taking a photo, and here is she takes a photo. She had taken a photo, right? When we were getting out of the bus, I think what is the answer? Simple past, past continuous, simple present, and past perfect here. If you answer A, you can. That's right, please. All A ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። ምክንያቱም past continuous ነው። ይሄ past continuous ሁልጊዜ ቀደም ልክ እንዳልኩት ከማን ጋር ነው የሚሄደው? ከሲምፕል past ጋር ይሄዳል። ምንድነው? She took a photo as we were getting out of the bus. Yes, ከባሱ እየወጣች እንደነበር ፎቶ አንስታለች ነው አይደል? She took a photo. So that's two different events happened. She took a photo and we were getting out of in different time, please. ሁለቱ የተለያዩ ኢቨንቶች በተለያየ ሰዓት መከናወናቸው ነው እዚህ ጋር የሚያሳያችሁ ስለዚህ right answer took ነው blanket the book I was telling you about here is that here those this blanket the book yes sometimes here is that is this though that these are called demonstrative adjectives or demonstrative pronouns እንላቸዋለን እነዚህን here is ካላችሁ ልክ ነው here is one here is which is singular ነው የምጠቀመው here is look here is this is singular ታያችኋል እዚህ ጋር here is singular ነው the speaker here is or the noun phrase here is singular that's why the verb is also singular here there is subject verb agreement አለ ማለት ነው here also sometimes plural ነገር መጠቀም ይችላል here ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ይሄን s ልጨምርበትና the books ልበለው እዚህ ጋር ማን ልል ይችላል ማለት ነው here are look here are the books yeah here are the books that I bought that I'm going to buy it here is the book that I'm going to buy it so here is also true for in this case so the answer is here please there is also there is a book or there is a rose flower over there there are rose flowers over there rose flowers ስሙ ላይ ብዙ ይጠቀሳል እዛ ጋር አንድ ነገር መግለጽ ከደው simply singular item identify አደርጋለሁ Albert made people blank their shoes when entering his house Albert made so what's the question here ምንድነው ዋና ጥያቄው of course grammar question ነው እሱ መለየት መቻል የመጀመሪያው ጉዳይ Albert made people blank their shoes when entering his house means made was made here is verb pattern now verb pattern ማለት verb plus 2 plus verb 1 verb plus ing verb plus 2 plus object something like that የሚፈልግ ነገር አለ ስለዚህ made ስትሉት ይሄ and verb ነው and it always takes about object what kind of indirect object ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው ከዚህ ቀጥሎ የሚመጣው verb without to or infinitive verb without to or bare infinitive እንለዋለን bare infinitive ማለት ደግሞ አንድ infinitive without to ቱን ሳያስከትል የሚገልጽ ቃል ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው that's right please Albert made people remove their shoes when entering his house or my mother or my teacher made me study hard not my teacher made me to study hard or my teacher made me study hard which is wrong sentence pattern because the word or the verb made never take these different forms except an object plus an infinitive verb without to that's right that's why I am intended to answer remove only no need to insert this infinitive no need to insert this infinitive plus ing and it cannot be expressed just like a gerund form that's the rationale behind it so ጥያቄውን ስታዩት የverb pattern ጥያቄ ነው መልሱን በዚህ መልኩ ትመልሳላችሁ they arrived on time blank they left an hour late yes they arrived on time they left an hour late although the fact in spite to the fact that in spite of yeah actually this is called conjunction questions subordinating conjunction which is adverb clause of contrast ነው ጥያቄው ከምርጫዎች ይሄ እንደ አይነት ምርጫ የለንም ወይም እንደ አይነት conjunction የለንም in spite it go with of የለውም of ስለዚህ መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም despite often አያስከትልም the problem is here ይሄን አያስከትልም despite ምን ይፈልጋል እንደገና ደግሞ often ይፈልጋል ነገር ግን ቅድም አልከተልኩም ስለዚህ መልስ አይሆንም ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር ስትመጡ ደግሞ ይሄንን አያስከትልም although right close ነው አስከትልም so in spite of the fact that has the same meaning with although even though and though it always followed with a clause subject plus verb structure clause yeah the idea is also contrast or conjunction ሐሳቡ ተቃራኒ ነው in spite of the fact that despite the fact that የምትጠቀሙ ከሆነ clause ተከትሎ ይሄዳል that's right please yeah they arrived on time in spite of the fact that they left an hour late exactly all right subtract in the first were blank tone exceptional exceptionally except exceptionality ይሄ ጥያቄ የኤክስትሪም adjectives እና የኢንቴንሲፋይንግ adverbs ናቸው extreme adjective ማለት they infer or they describe about the intensity the degree or the extent of the noun please all right የናውኑን መግለጽ የሚፈልጉትን ስም extent ዲግሪውን ማሳየት ነው intensifying adverbዎችም they intensify or they describe the intent or the extent, the intensity or the degree of the verb, the degree of the adjective, the degree of another adverb, intensifying adverbs also. So from this understanding, the answer is exceptionally, because exceptionally is an intensifying adverb. It is an adverb which modifies about the verb here. tall, exceptionally tall ምንድን ነው? adjective ነው, right? ስለዚህ እነዚህ intensifying adverbዎች ይሄንን adjective ነው modify የሚያደርጉት, right? exceptional tall አትልም። adjective ተከትሎ except ማለት ተጠቀም። exceptionality maybe እንኳን ስም ነው የሚሆነው. So that's not the right answer. So the question is extreme adjective ወይም extreme adverb intensifying የምንላቸው. We win the game blank, we had 2 fewer players. Yes, we win the game blank, we have 2 fewer girls. ጥቂት ተጫዋቾች ይዘን ጨዋታውን አሸንፈናል ነው። ስለዚህ despite that, no wrong structure please. In spite of the fact that, of course, in spite of the fact that there is a problem here. Of የለችም እዚህ ጋር please. የለችም of። ስለዚህ ልክ አይደለም ማለት ነው። እንደዚህ ከሆነ ልክ ሊሆን ይችላል please. የለችም look, despite the fact that. However, the fact that, however doesn't go with the fact that. We don't have this kind of structure whenever you use however, because however by itself is conjunctive adverb now, or adverb conjunction now. Preceding semicolon ወይም ኮማን አስከትሏል። The fact that መጠቀም ከሆነ close ነው, but we don't have this structure. So the answer is here. The answer is despite the fact that. Despite the fact that we win the game, despite the fact that we had 2 fewer players. ምንድን ማለት ነው? We win the game although, even though we had 2 fewer players. ሁለት ጥቂት ተጫዋቾችን ምንም እንኳን ሁለት ተጫዋቾችን ብንይዝ ጨዋታውን ማሸነፍ ችለናል። ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ ናቸው። ይሄ ከማን ጋር ተመሳሳይ ነው? ከኦልዞ፣ ከኢቭን ዞ፣ ከዶ ጋር right? Despite the fact that. በዲስፓይት ብቻ ስገልጸው we win the game despite having, look here, despite like this እንደዚህ ልገልጸው እችላለሁ። despite having 2 players here. ይኸውላችሁ 2 players እንደዚህ አድርጌ መግለጽ እችላለሁ። Another way please. Despite ብቻ መጠቀም in spite of having 2 players we win the game. Of course possible ነው. possible ነው። አሁን ይሄን ደግሞ ተመሳሳይ ሳደርገው ይሄን ወደ ክሎዝ ቀይር. We have 2 fewer means having 2 players, right? Question number 9. Blank, I exercise every day. I can seem to lose my weight. Yes, despite of, in spite, although, because. No, the answer is what? Although here, because the ideas are contrast, yeah? Although I exercise every day, I can seem to lose any weight. ምንም እንኳን በየቀኑ ኤክሰርሳይዝ ባደርግም ምንም ክብደቴ ሊቀንስ አልቻለም ወይም ሲቀንስ አላየሁትም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ተቃራኒ ሐሳብ ናቸው። although እንጠቀማላችሁ። in spite of የማይሆን ሌሎቹ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም። I have blank, look here. I have blank a lot of weight recently. I have put and I'm putting. I have put and what I will put, yeah? ምን ማለት ነው? እዚህ ጋር ምርጭ ሊሆን ይችላል በቃ yes, I have put. Exactly. I have put. The after school program was cancelled. Blank, lack of interest from the students. Yes, despite. ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ኮንትራስት ናቸው ወይም ሪዝን ነው። ለምንድን ነው የከሰዓት ፕሮግራም ካንስል ሊሆነው? reason አለ እዚህ lack of interest from the students, because the students didn't have any interest or hadn't any interest. This is the reason why the after classroom was cancelled here. So despite cannot complete, though cannot complete, because cannot complete, and the answer is owing to. Owing to is called reason. What kind of reason? Phrases of reason. Owing to, on account of, due to, and because of. እነዚህ reason ክሎዞች ናቸው። reason ይገልጻሉ። ተከትለው የሚሄዱት noun phrase ነው። ስለዚህ lack ስትሉ is a noun please. is a noun. Owing to lack of interest from the student. So the right answer here is ለምንድን ነው የከሰዓት ፕሮግራም ሚስድ የሆነው ካንስል የሆነው? because of ለማለት ነው። owing to ለማለት ነው። So the answer is owing to. ከኦልዞ ከኢቭን ዞ ጋር የተለያየ ምክንያት ነው የሚገልጹት። So they are different please. Question number 12 here. Blank toys on the table over there are lovely. Yes, over here, these are demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. ምንድናቸው እነዚህ? ቅርበትን ርቀትን ለተናጋሪው ቅርበትን ርቀትን ሊገልጽባቸው የሚያስችሉን demonstrative pronoun ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ወይም demonstrative adjective ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። adjective ከሆኑ ስምን ነው modify የሚያደርጉት ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር toys ነው ያለው። ስለዚህ demonstrative adjective ናቸው። this የምትጠቀሙ just many in number which are close to the speaker, and those many in number or more than two numbers which are far from the speaker. And there, no, whose, no. Over there አላችሁ እዚያ ጋር over there። ስለዚህ ለተናጋሪው ይርቃል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ማን ነው መልሳችሁ? those are ብላችሁ መልሳላችሁ። ፍንጩ እዚህ ጋር ያለ over there, right. Blank chairs across the room are my brother's favorite are broken. Across the room, all right. This actually across the room, those. አሁንም እሱ ነው መልሳችሁ። ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው please. Question number 14. The publisher rejected the author's latest work. Blank, the manuscript was full of errors. The publisher rejected the author's latest work. Yes, right. Publisher የአውተሩን ስራ ሪጀክት አድርጎበታል ጥሎበታል። ምክንያቱም blank, the manuscript was full of errors. manuscript ወይም ጽሁፉ ስህተት የተሞላበት ስለሆነ ስላገኘው ነው። due to the manuscripts or owing to or despite of, ለምሳሌ due to ካለ owing to ነው። ሁለቱም possible ናቸው። ኦልራይት ይሄን ምን መርጥ ከሆነ ይሄን ምን መርጣል። ስለዚህ አይሆኑም ሁለቱም ማለት ነው። despite ካላችሁ ደግሞ often አይወስድም። ገብቷችኋል አይደል? ይሄን often አይወስድም። ስለማይወስድ መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም። owing to the fact that ቅድም ምንድን ነበር? owing to ስትሉ ፍሬዝን ተከትለው ይሄዳሉ። owing to the fact that ስንል ደግሞ clause ነው የሚከተለው because this is a subject here and this one is also a verb which is called a clause, all right? A clause. ስለዚህ the answer here is owing to the fact that the manuscript was full of errors. The right answer. All right. እነዚህ የ11ኛ ክፍል ይዘቶች ናቸው please. An old epidemic of flu has blank and a lot of people are infected, right? Phrasal verb broken in. What's broken in mean? What's broken out and taken away? Broken out of. በነገራችን ላይ phrasal verb ሊያስቸግሩ ይችላል። ግን ክሉ የምሰጣችሁ ነገር ምንድነው? በተለይ phrasal verb construct የሚያደርጉት action verb plus prepositions ናቸው። ስለዚህ የእያንዳንዱን ቃል ትርጉም መረዳት ወይም ማወቅ ፍንጭ ማግኘት ለጥቅል phrasal verb ትርጉም ፍንጭ ይሰጣቸዋል። ለምሳሌ broke ሲል ምንድነው? broken something broken into pieces ነው አንዱ። broken ስንል ደግሞ የሆነ spread ለማለትም ሊሆን ይችላል broke ስንል። So you have to understand what the contextual meaning of the words separately, right? What about in? When do we use in? What about away? What about take and taken? ከዛ አንፃር ፍንጭ ይዛችሁ አንድ ስሩ። ሁለተኛ what do you understand the context the sentence itself? አረፍተ ነገሩ እንዴት ነው የምትረዱት please? and flood a lot of people, yes, a lot of people are infected ካለ ፍንጭ ሰጣችሁ እዚህ ጋር ጥያቄው ተመለሰ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ broken out ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። broken out ማለት spread ማለት እኮ ነው። yes, spread ማለት ነው broken out ማለት broken out ልክ እንደ COVID-19 ምናምን። so ክሉ የሰጣችሁ ጉዳይ ጥያቄው ላይ ነው እዚህ ጋር please. nice. Question number 30. All of the students did well on the exam. Nice. All of the students did blank well on the exam. Remarkable, remarkably, remarks, remarking. አሁንም የኢንቴንሲፋይንግ አድቨርብና የኤክስትሪም አድጀክቲቭ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። All of the students did remarkable አድጀክቲቭ ማለት ነው አይደል? አሁን መገለጽ የተፈለገው ነገር ማን ነው? ይቺ ቨርብ ነች መገለጽ የፈለጋቸው። ሁሉም ተማሪዎች ጥሩ መስራት አለመስራታቸው ነው መገለጽ የተፈለገው፣ ተማሪዎችን አይደለም። ተማሪዎችን ከሆነ አድጀክቲቭ ነው የሚፈልገው remarkable ይሆናል ነው። ገብቷችኋል አይደል? remarkable ካል አድጀክቲቭ ስሙን ነው የሚገልጸው። ግን ነገር አለ all of the students blank did well on the exam ካለ how did the students do the exam? So there is a word which possibly describes or intensifying about the verb because the verb cares about what the subject does, all right? verbu የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤቱ ምን እንደሚሰራ ሊገልጽ የሚችል ትርጉሙን ልክ የተሸከመ ጉዳይ ስለሆነ adverb ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው። በዚህ መሰረት ነው ስለዚህ remarkably ብላችሁ የምትመልሱት remarkably well on the exam. What's remarkably? how did the students do the exam? Remarkably. Remarkably means interestingly, energetically, wonderfully. Nice. Question number 70. She ran very quickly, blank be late. So as to be late, የአድቨርብ ጥያቄ ነው። አድቨርብ ክሎዝ ኦፍ ፐርፐዝ ማለት ነው። yes የአድቨርብ ክሎዝ ኦፍ ፐርፐዝ ነው። ሁለት ነገሮች አሉ ፐርፐዞች so that in order that and that and so adverb clause of purpose ናቸው እነዚህ to in order to so as to least for fear that adverb clause of purpose ናቸው but the structure that we use for this purpose clause are completely different ይለያያሉ እነዚህን ቨርቦችን ተከትለው ይሄዳሉ ኦኬ ቨርቦችን ተከትለው ይሄዳሉ he ran very quickly so as not to be late ታያችኋል አለ እዚህ ጋር ለምንድነው በፍጥነት ስትሮጥ የነበረው ላለመዘግየት so as not to be late means because so that she arrived to school early ማለት ነው right so as not to be late so as to late not to አይደለም not to እንደዚህ ምን ከተኮነ ወደ ሲሄድብን ይችላል ወደ reporting command ይሄዳል even though it is a forms of adverb clause of purpose ቢሆንም ግን if you insert not to just like this it's not adverb clause but rather it is a reporting command so we don't have this structure whenever you are talking about purpose clauses so we cannot use not to so the right answer here is so as not to exactly please question number 18 I don't think you belong this movie it's very violent I'm going to be there and I'm liking I'll like the question here is I don't think yeah እዚህ ጋር ነው ጥያቄ ያለው ሌላ ምንም ነገር የለም የቴንስ ጥያቄ ነው of course I think and I think maybe I don't think so I don't suppose so I suppose ብለን ስናስብ I thought of something in the future no yes I thought of something in the future right or prediction in the future ስለዚህ እነዚህ በተለይ simple future I think and I don't think ከሚል ጋር ነው የሚሄደው right so just there is something that will happen next month right I told them something in the future month something will happen ስለወደፊቱ ነው እየተነበይኩ ማስበው so future tense I will like ብለን እንመልሳለን so I don't think you'll like this movie it's very violent right it's very violent exactly would like no on my next vacation I plan to stay in a nice hotel in Paris on my next vacation yeah it's a tense question actually this is called future planned action or future intention ማለት ነው an action is going to happen in the future but it's not your planned action but it is your future intention ማለት you are inclined to do something in the future you have an object you have a purpose to do something in the future which is future intention but it doesn't infer that this is not a planned action okay sometimes future planned action have the same meaning with future intention but the implied meaning is a little bit different okay a little bit different for in this case of course I belong to the beach every year since I was a child look here I belong to the beach every year since I was a child had again I'm going have again yeah what is the clue here since I was a child ማለት start of time ነው point of time ነው ይሄ ሐሳብ ካለ either present perfect ነው ካልሆነ present perfect continuous ነው የምትጠቀሙት ስለዚህ I belong to the beach every year since I was a child regularly or just habitually right ከዛ ህፃን ከጀመርኩ ጀምሬ በየአመቱ ሐይቅ ባህር ዳርቻ ላይ ሄዳለሁ ማለቱ ነው yes an action happened repeatedly in every year sometimes እነዚህን adverbs of frequencyዎች በpresent perfect በpresent continuous በpresent perfect continuous መጠቀም እንችላለን we are not only obliged in habitual action with the present we sometimes use for simple past መጠቀም እንችላለን but the implied meaning is completely different if we use present if we use present perfect of course habitual action and every year ማለት ነው በየአመቱ በተደጋጋሚ የምንሰራቸውን ስራዎች በadverb of frequency መግለጽ እንችላለን አፌክት አያደርገውም ድርጉቱም ስለዚህ ይሄን ጥያቄ ለመመለስ እንጨሰጠ ይቀደም ልክ እንዳላችሁ since የምለው so the answer is present perfect have gone nice I take my kids hiking in the mountains each summer they learn to appreciate nature's beauty so that in order that to us least that እነዚህ የአድቨርብ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው in order that adverb clause of purpose here ምን ማለት ነው I take my course in the mountains each summer in order that they learn to appreciate nature's beauty just ልጆችን የትላይ ወስዳቸው ማውንቴን ላይ ወስዳቸው ሂልስ ላይ ወስዳቸው አሉ ስለዚህ ምን ለምዳሉ appreciate ቢዩቲን ተፈጥሮን appreciate ያደርጋሉ ነው ስለዚህ ቢዩቲን ወይም የተፈጥሮን ውበት appreciate ያደርጋሉ recognition ይሰጣሉ so that in order that the right answer ይሄን እንደዚህ ልግለጸው መሰላችሁ I take my kids hiking in the mountain each summer in order to learn to appreciate nature's beauty so as to learn to appreciate nature's beauty they have the same meaning but the different is the structure of the sentence please so as to in order to in order that so that and then to ናቸው both are adverb clause of purpose ናቸው mass please question number 22 I look forward blank you next week think look forward think this is called a preposition question የጠየቁት look forward ስትጠቀሙ በአብዛኛው ይሄንን gerund ነው pleasing yes pleasing yes right ስለዚህ ይሄን ይወስዳል please yeah she blank there since she graduated from college yes since she graduated በቃ ግራመር ኮ ፍንጭ ይሰጣቸዋል since ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኮሌጅ ከጨረሰች ጀምሮ point of time indicate አደረገላቸው ስለዚህ has worked has been working present perfect continuous had been working past perfect continuous and works simple present exactly most of the time since and for it answers how long something has been happening የሚለውን ጥያቄ in black and white ሊመልሱ የሚችሉት the present perfect continuous ነው she has been working there since she graduated from college ማለት college ከተመረቀች ጀምሮ አሁንም እዛው ነው መስራው ነው ያለን ያለው how long has she been working there since she graduated from college ብለን እንመሳለን ማለት ነው I have been living on this since I started to work here yes how long have you been living at this since I start to work here of course because its point is the point of time by point of time means I start to work here and at this exactly so has we work is the right answer please I will only help you blank you ask for it yeah ይሄ የአድቨርብ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው የኮንጀክሽን ጥያቄዎች ናቸው when something which is sure ሲሆን ነው ፋክት የሆነ ነገር እርግጠኛ የሆነ ነገር ምንገልጽበት if possibility ነው then it's not a conjunction until conjunctional time conjunctional so the answer is ማነው ትሉት yeah I will only help you when you ask for it ለምሳሌ ልረዳህ ይችላል ስትጠይቀኝ ብቻ ነው ልረዳህ የምችለው ስትጠይቀኝ ብቻ ማለት it touches about the time that he wants or you want my help yeah it indicates how the time that you want help that he wants me to help him right so no ስለዚህ በሚፈልገኝ ሰዓት የሚለውን ሚኒንግ የሚሰጣችሁ when ስትከቱት ነው I'm here I will meet when he come here right I will meet my friend when he come here I will invite my friend when I got some money or I will invite you when my pockets deep when I have a lot of money right or when my pockets full of coins right ልጋብዝ ይችላልው ኪሴ ሳንቲም ሲኖረኝ ለማለት ነው ታይም ነው ኢንዲኬት የሚያደርገው the weather not today blank የታ question ጥያቄ ነው ይሄ ታ question ሁለት ይጋለው ስቴትመንቱ ልክ እንደዚህ ፖዚቲቭ ሲሆን ታ question ኔጌቲቭ ይሆናል ስቴትመንቱ ልክ ኔጌቲቭ ከሆነ ደግሞ ታ question ፖዚቲቭ ይሆናል ይሄ ታ question እዚህ ጋር ያለው ቢፎር ሙስት ቨርቦች ከሆነ እነሱ ወደ ኔጌቲቭ መቀየር ነው አይደል ከዚህ ውጪ ከሆነ ነው የሚያስቸግረን እንጂ ስለዚህ which is positive sentence ነው መልሳችሁ ማለት isn't it ብለን ነው የምንመጣው isn't it right the weather is nice today isn't it አይደለምን of course because I want to confirm it I have a reason why I prepare that question to check about whether the weather is nice or not isn't it ለምሳሌ the weather isn't nice today is it yes right because my background experience is negative which is positive tag my background is positive which is negative tag exactly that's true please there is the restaurant blank I ate last night where when why and which ሶስቱን ላሳይ where why እና when relative adverb ናቸው relative pronoun አይደሉም ይሄ relative pronoun ነው ይሄኛው which ስለዚህ የሚፈልጉት ነገር እነዚህ relative adverb ከሆኑ verboችን adverboችን adjective ነው የሚቀይሩ ስለዚህ ይሄ ፕሌስን ይገልጻል ይሄ ሪዝንን ይገልጻል ይሄ ታይምን ይገልጻል ጨረሳችሁ ሬስቶራንት ፕሌስ ነው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው where ማለት ነው where exactly በጣም ቀላል there is the restaurant where I ate last night ባለፈው የተመገብኩበት ሬስቶራንት ኤው እዚህ ጋር ኩኝ nice I don't run blank I used to as low as I used to as slowly as slowly than as low as please yeah ይሄ degrees of comparison positive negative comparative superlative progressive parallel ስድስት አይነት ኮምፓራቲቮች አሉ ስለዚህ የሚፈልገው ኮምፓራቲቭ አድቨርብ ነው አድቨርብ ኮምፓራቲቭ ዲግሪ ነገሮችን ማወዳደር እንደምችል ነው የሚያሳያቸው ስለዚህ ማን ነው የምትሉት as slowly as ሁለታችን እኔ ከራሴ አሁን ካለኝና በፊት ከነበረኝ ኤክስፒሪየንስ ነው ማወዳደረው I don't run as slowly as I used to በፊት የነበረኝ እና አሁን ያለኝ እኩል ነኝ በፊት በጣም እንትን አይደለም አሁን በጣም ፈጣን አይደለም ስለው አይደለም አሁን ፈጣን ሁሉም ተመሳሳይ ስፒድ አለኝ ማለት ነው የኔን ስፒድ ነው የሚያወዳደር I don't run as slowly as I used what slowly is it is an adverb clause of manner ነው manner ከሆነ ደግሞ ማን የሚገልጽላችሁ I don't run የሚለው ነው run የሚለው main verb ነው modify የሚያደርግላችሁ exactly question number 28 please 28 yeah yes I blank of living in Ireland even before I visit the country yes I blank of living in Ireland even before I visit the country have dreamed present perfect dreamed simple past and past perfect and dreamed simple present yeah there is a clue here one the conjunction before here one እሱን አንድ ፊት ሰጣችሁ ሁለተኛ I visited ሲል simple past ነው so እንዲህ አይነት ኢቨንት ሲሆን ማንኛው ነው የምትጠቀሙት had visited or had dreamed because look here past perfect ከማን ጋር ይሄዳል ከሲምፕል ፓስት ጋር ይሄዳል ከሲምፕል ፓስት ጋር ይሄዳል ሁለተኛ አያያዝ ቃል before after until and when by the time while these are very important conjunction for joining two different events which had taken place in different time in the past perfect exactly I had dreamed of living in Ireland even before I visited the country አገሪቱን ከመጎብኘት በፊት ህልም ነበረኝ አይርላንድ እንደምኖር ነው መጀመሪያ had dreamed first action ነው መጎብኘቴ ሁለተኛው አክሽን ነው ሁለቱ ኢቨንቶች በተለያዩ ተፈጽመዋል so that is had dreamed past perfect exactly I thought it rude blanker to attract me out of and in of this question is preposition question so rude of from rude of meaning I thought it rude of her to attract me yes right so there's rude of which is fixed preposition of manalo fixed preposition please let's come next question we belong for a long time when the bus finally came yes are waiting present continuous have been waiting present perfect continuous past perfect continuous and were waiting past continuous we belong for a long time when the bus finally came nice please this is a very important word which basically gives me a cue to answer the right tense kind the right forms here had been calculated you had been ምክንያቱም an action had been taking place in a certain time in the past and there might be sometimes a result and there might be sometimes but there is long progressive action that has been taking place right long progressive action ማለት በጣም ሲከናወን የቆየን ድርጊት የምንገልጽበት ነው sometimes result አለው ሪዘልቱ ከፓስ ጋር ይገናኛል look here we had been waiting for a long time when the bus finally came መጨረሻ ላይ አውቶቡስ ከመምጣቱ በፊት ለረጅም ጊዜ ስንጠብቀው ቆይተን ነበር ወይም ስንጠብቀው ቆይተናል ነው right ቆይተናል አያችሁት እዚህ ጋር when the bus finally came አሁን ይሄ ለፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒዩስ አይሆንም ለፓስት ኮንቲኒዩስ አይሆንም ለፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒዩስ የማይሆን because እዚህ ጋር የሚይዛችሁ ነገር አለ ለምሳሌ I had been working all day and I was tired in the afternoon look here ሙሉ ቀን ስሰራ ስለቆየው ከሰዓት በኋላ ደክሞ የነበርትን long progressive action አለ እዛ ጋር and finally result አለው ሪዘልቱ ከፓስት ጋር ይገናኛል ደክሞ የነበር የሚለው ነገር nice that is past perfect yes the police tried to catch the bank robbers but they managed to right the phrasal verb question ናቸው እነዚህ phrasal verb questions yeah what wherein means Here is my cab. You get in if you go, please. Get in. You get off. No meaning get away and put on. What's put on? Adding something or wearing something. I put on my sock. I put on my jacket. Right. What about put off? Lose out of. I worn out of my jacket. My socks. Put off. Okay. Get in. Get in. You get in. Enter to the cab. I mean, away. What away means? Away. Far from the person he or she speaks. Away means. Away. I understand what is the preposition away means. Totally get away. Get away. Yes. The police tried to carry the bank robbers, but they managed to get away. Get away. Atazum. Right? Escaped. Get away. Preposition. Of course, it's important to get close. Blank, my friend, studied a lot. Blank, he has a genius because he got an A+ on the test. My friend studied a lot. And he is also genius, right? Genius. Good not only better so. Genius no, right? A+ either or kalachu. Andum bicha mutasibu kono. Neither nor kaulotum which mutasibu kono. Not we do have this kind of conjunctions. Not only better so. Yemejumero bicha sayon, huletanyom no. Addition no migers, not only better so much, both in the marathon. Both in the marathon. Not only my friend studied a lot, but also he is a genius because he goes an A+ on the test. Right? That's the rational behind it, please. Question number 33. Which one of the following word needs the prefix means? Prefixes, yeah. We have 8 types of prefixes. Pejorative prefix, conversative prefix, and attitude prefix, degree prefix, reversative prefix. Alright. ሰባት ስምንት አይነት የፕሪፊክስ አይነቶች አሉ። ከዛ አይነቶች ውስጥ ሚስን የሚወስደው ቃል የትኛው ነው? Misconduct means someone who has wrongly conduct, bad conduct. Mismoral, not mismoral. The word moral doesn't take miss. Immoral kalachu, of course, prefix a no. Ambivalent, base word misambivalent atlem. Correlative, miscorrelative arlem. Uncorrelative no mitso. So misconduct, yes, right. Misbehavior lemarat no, right? Misconduct mala. Wrongly conduct, bad conduct, yeah. Interesting. Question number 34. Which one of the following sentence is failing intonation? Pronunciation line. Failing intonation ማለት ድምጹን ወይም ሐሳቡን አርተገው ስታነቡት መጨረሻ ላይ ኢንቶኔሽኑ ወይም ሎው ፒች ሲኖረው ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? What do you live? What do you live? Or have you seen it here? High intonation አለ ፋይናሊ ግን ፌል ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። I'm a teacher. I'm a lecturer. Failing intonation ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ያ failing intonation ያደርጋል። Come on. Stand up. Rise ያደርግና ፋይናሊ ፌል ያደርጋል። እነዚህ failing intonation ናቸው። ሌሎቹ yes no question እና surprise rising intonation ናቸው። Rising intonation ማለት መጀመሪያ ድምጻቸው ፌል አድርጎ ይነሳና መጨረሻ ላይ do you like to eat fish? Look here. Do you like to eat fish? Are you a lecturer? Are you here? Exactly. Fail and then rise, which is important to improve pronunciation actually. So here, so let's see. Mano melsachu, where is she? Yeah, exactly, where is she? Yes, no question now. Here, surprise, rising intonation natural. Where's she? Where was she? Alright, nice. That's nice place. This is spoken question actually. Yeah, friend, where do you put the cell phone? You. I'm sure this is mine. But I'm not asking you about whether the cell phone is yours or not. I think that one is yours. Yes, right? I checked it here. I'm busy today. So the answer is what? This is what? I think this is yours. All right? Where do you put the cell phone? Yes, may ask I think that one is yours. Yeah, I'm famous. On the table, on the shelf, again, another ways of expression because this is communicative, right? I'm sorry, this is mine. So let me I checked it here. Check that. No, where do you put? I think that one is here. So I'm busy today. No response. Irrelevant response. So the answer is exactly here. Next question. The question is about, Alamu, I think you seem tired, blank. Hawa, no thank you, I can do it myself. I think you seem tired, no thank you, I can do it. Can I give you my hand? Of course. Offer adaragechchu ማለት ነው. Is that yours? No. It is not that you. She doesn't ask whether it belongs to yours or not. May I come in? No. Can I help you, please? Could I help you, please? No, thank you. Yes, sir. Can I give you my hand, please? Could you help me, please? No, yeah. ይሄኛው requesting ነው. Request ነው. Could you help me? Asking someone to do something politely ነው. Can I give you my hand? ላግዝህ ነው እያልኩ ያለሁት። alright. ላግዝህ? No, thank you. I can do it myself. አመሰግናለሁ። እኔ ራሴ ማናጅ ማድረግ እችላለሁ ነው። Offering ማለት ነው. So the answer is right. 37. Sasana and Sanai. I wonder if you go out with me for dinner. Invitation. What kind of indirect invitation? Or would you like to go outside with me for dinner? Invitation ማለት ነው. I wonder if you go out with me dinner. Or would you like to go outside for dinner? With me for dinner? What's the response? Either accepting the invitation or refusing the invitation. Normally. Nothing is. Yeah. As an answer, which is very stupid expression. Hello. And I know just a foolish expression here. This is your first time to do it. No, it's not. That's not the intent of the question. I don't know. I really appreciate for invitation. I thank you, Maratno. Yes, thank you. That sound is nice indeed. That's interesting. With pleasure. I'm glad to accept the invitation. All right. I like invitation. All right, it's right. ስለዚህ ይሄ ነው መልሳችሁ እንጂ ሌሎቹ ሊሆኑ አይችልም። Which color do you like most? ይሄ የWH question ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ከኪዳን and ሞሚና which color do you like most? ከለር ነው ጥያቄያችሁ። Which color? የከለር ጥያቄ ሌላ ጉዳይ አይፈልግም ይሄ መልስ። Red is not easily faded. Look at the question, yeah. This is the best color. No, which is the best color? No, ቢጠይቅ this is the best color ትላለህ። A lot of people wear this color. Or my friend likes, no. Which color do you like most? Red is not easily faded ማለት I like it. Or red color is my favorite color ማለት ነው። Red is not easily faded ማለት. Says I like it, red color. I like it, red color. So red color, the answer is here. እሱ ፌድ ያደርጋል ላይክ አደርጋለሁ ማለት እኮ ነው። 39. Could you show me the nearest pharmacy, please? Asking direction. What is the response here? Take this way and turn right at the junction. ከመንገድ ይዘክልና መገናኛው ላይ ስትደርስ ወደ ግራ ወይም ወደ ቀኝ ታጠፋለህ። This is the right way, but I'm not sure. Yeah, no, I'm not sure, please. This is the way to, no, ይመስለኛል ወደዛ no, this is a landmark over there. No, there is a landmark. No, this is not the right expression, please. Yeah. መልስ አለ። በነገራችን ላይ አቅጣጫ ስናሳይ ሰውየው የጠፋው ስለሆነ ስለዚህ ራይትሊ ነው ማሳየት የሚገባን። ራይትሊ ሌሎቹ አሁን የሚያወዛግቡ መልሶች ናቸው። ፕሊዝ የሚያወዛግቡ መልሶች ናቸው። Yes, 40. My English teacher pronounces just like the natives. Sabla, he is an Indian. He teaches in colleges. He is an experienced teacher. He is young. My English teacher's pronunciation is just like the natives. Alright, so what's the response? He is an Indian. ምንድነው? just the native ስትል ኢንዲያን ነው። ኢንዲያን መምህር ነው አይደል? ህንዳዊ ነው። ለዛ ነው እንደ ኔቲቭ ስፒከር ፕሮናውንስ የሚያደርገው ሌላ ነገር አይደለም። he teaches English college. No, ሊሆኑ አይችሉም please. Yeah, I think these are 40 sample questions for grade 11. The questions are from the new textbook. The questions are from the textbook. I have already prepared. These are the questions are my original question because I haven't copied any question from any sources. So I think if you just practice the question, I hope your result will be energetic and remarkable, and you will have a hope to become fluent speaker of English language. I think this one not about the questions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. There is also second part. Second part is about reading passage and comprehension questions. Next time I'm going to publish this. This is from Family English with Mr. Kabbada. Thank you for the time being, please.